Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Former workers at the Thomson plant in Marion are voting today on the company's severance package. Union officials barely accepted the offer last week. 990 employees were laid off last month when the company closed the Marion plant. Any employee laid off prior to March will be eligible for the package. Voting ends in half an hour. Anderson's Park Place neighborhood has long been plagued by flooding. In fact, today is the 40th anniversary of the worst flood in the city's history. Newslink Indiana's Michelle Deneen tells us how city leaders hope to protect residents from the elements.
Federal flood insurance premiums will decrease by 5% this year in Anderson. City officials announced the good news today in a press conference at Edgewater Park. Nearby business owners are pleased with the action the city has taken.
Well, it's going to put more money in our pocket, and every little bit of extra money in our pocket helps our business.
The Federal Emergency Management Agency will grant the premium relief as part of the community rating system. 16 communities in the state qualify for the program, which reduces flood insurance for at-risk communities who take steps to improve flood management plans. Insurance discounts are based on a points system.
By living in a flood-prone area or putting informational booklets like these in the Anderson Public Library, a city can earn more points. The higher the points, the lower the rates.
To earn more points, the city also has plans to spend $1 million to fix the levee at Edgewater Park. The area is the first to flood when the White River rises and has been the site of past flooding.
We cannot afford to wait another year. We can't afford to wait another month. We technically can't afford to wait another day.
McLean says the city is pushing to begin the levee project by the end of the year. In Anderson, Michelle Deneen, Newslink, Indiana.
This F-0 tornado was spotted last night at 7:26, 2 miles west of Fairmount in Grant County. Second one was sighted near Point Isabel around 7:30. An F-0 tornado has winds from 40 to 70 miles per hour. And now here's Carrie Hazley to tell us if we could see more thunderstorms this evening. Carrie?
Thanks, Chris. As we head through the overnight hours today, a cold front will sweep across the state of Indiana. With this, the chance for severe weather along the frontal boundary. The greatest risk is not tornadoes, it's actually strong winds. If we take a look at precision cast, the front is in place across the state of Indiana right now at 10 p.m. as it sweeps across the state. We clear out overnight tonight. The front actually backs up at us tomorrow, which brings us another chance for rain and thunderstorms. The greatest risk will be towards the southern portion of the viewing area. Chris?
Thanks, Carrie. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.